Today we're going to do a remote order using the LenSync remote order entry page. So you'd go to the login at orders.lensync.com, log in here with your account and password. You need a reference number. You can make that really whatever you want. It could be an internal thing or however you want to do it. Patient. Let's say we want to do a remote etching job. With this, you can select traces or you can upload a trace. LenSync has quite a few traces in here. Let's do a Lindbergh. Let's do a Lindbergh Spirit, medium size. So all the trace information populates in here, and you can see it show up down here complete with notch holes. Interestingly enough, these can be grabbed and moved. Don't recommend it. Let's put a little prescription in here. Regular PD. Now there's a couple ways to choose lenses, actually three I believe. You can just look at the drop down, select what you want from there. You notice we've got single vision checked here, sorry. You can also choose clear, photo, polarized, or pre-tinted. You can click the little plus button and it'll give you a tree over here to look through. So it gives you the option for RX lenses, conventional and digital. I think what the easiest way is just to click right here, scroll down, choose the one you want. Let's do Trivex. Trivex is good for drilling. And you pick the AR coat that you want. Now we can pre-cal the job, and it'll show us the thickness all the way around. Very handy. You can also change the scale on this. So if you know this is 50 millimeters across here, you can lay your PD stick on the screen and zoom the scale up and down until it looks about right to you, and then it'll give you an idea of what you're dealing with. You can then save this job. Once you save it, it'll give you a reference ID number right over here, or a job ID number, and you can get a quote. And this is only going to quote you for the lenses because you're not actually buying the frame. That would be under a package if you wanted to do something like that. Now if you want to make a clip-on, what you do is copy this order, so it'll bring over the trace info. And since you're copying it, it'll know where to put a magnet on the previous order, because they're going to be paired together now. So we're going to say clip on, and this is going to tell the old job, the previous job, that these two are related. We're going to do a polarized lens. Let's do a round magnet, gunmetal frame, or gunmetal magnet, and a gunmetal bridge. So OK, and here we go. We've got new drill holes for the clip, and we've got the magnet spot. And what this should do also is drop a magnet spot onto the other, the previous job. So we want to go here and look at the clip options. Let's do a gray sun lens. Matter of fact, let's get one with a mirror. Why not? Be flashy. Now you can move these magnets if you want. You can use the arrow keys or the mouse. It's probably easier and better to use the arrow keys. Generally you want to leave this where the system sets it, unless maybe you have a high plus job and you want to move the magnet down a little bit to prevent the magnet from rocking. Now anything you select on here, if you select both of these, you can move these up and down as well together. If you only select one, only one will move by itself. That's not recommended, not for drill holes like these. Then you just go up here and you hit save. You can request a quote. $65 for your mirrored clip. Not bad at all. And that's all there is to it.